NumPy stands for Numeric Python and is a library that can be used for scientific computing. A fundamental part of the NumPy library is the array object, capable of holding elements in multi-dimensions and performing element-wise calculations over the whole array. In addition, the library includes tools for linear algebra, such as matrix and vector products, and matrix solving and inverting functions. The NumPy library's design of broadcasting functions are versatile and help determine how the library treats arrays with varying shapes during calculations. Because of these features unique to the library, NumPy has become an essential tool for scientific computing. The NumPy library can be installed using pip or a Python distribution such as Anaconda. A Python distribution such as Anaconda includes NumPy along with many other common scientific packages such as SciPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. I will demonstrate installing NumPy using pip. But if you're interested in installing the Anaconda Python distribution, check out our video using Anaconda for installing scientific packages. When installing a new library in Python using pip, I recommend first creating a virtual environment to keep the scope of the installed libraries local to the project. This is an alternative to installing libraries globally for a system user. The virtual environment that I use is called Venv, which is included in the Python standard library, although many options for creating virtual environments in Python exist. Now we will set up a virtual environment using Venv by typing py, or Python 3 on Mac, then add the module option m followed by venv. Next, specify the directory where you'd like to place the virtual environment. I will call my directory numpyvenv. If the directory does not yet exist, it will be created automatically. When this command is executed, the virtual environment will be created, and within it, a pyvenv configuration is set up. To activate the new virtual environment, use one of the following commands depending on your operating system. Because I'm on Windows, I will use the command numpyvenv /scripts /activate.bat. The name in the parentheses on the left side tells us we are within the activated virtual environment. Now that the virtual environment is running, we can install NumPy using the command pip install numpy. The NumPy library has now been installed in our virtual environment, and we can start using the library. For more Python tutorials, like, share, and subscribe to the PyPros channel.